Hello, welcome to SibaLearningZone.com GCSE Chemistry. Today we're going to move to a new topic called the periodic table. We just finished our lessons on acids, bases, and salts. Acids are elements or compounds that release hydrogen in solution, or we just say they are proton donors. Bases are proton acceptors. Salts are formed when the hydrogen in an acid is replaced by a metal, and that is just the simple overview of acids, bases, and salts. Without wasting much time, let's see what we're talking about today. Today we're going to talk about the periodic table and the periodic trends. There was a scientist called Mendeleev. He was a Russian scientist. He made the most successful attempt to find patterns among chemical elements. When we say an element, we are talking about a chemical substance that is made up of only one type of atom. So when you take gold is an element made up of only gold atoms. Now, Mendeleev arranged elements in a periodic table. So that was how come we got the periodic table. Now, in his table, since it was done long ago, there were certain things that were not known at that time. Okay, so he arranged elements in order of increasing relative atomic mass. So here, instead of using their atomic numbers, that time Mendeleev arranged them in terms of increasing atomic masses. He grouped elements with similar chemical properties in columns. He grouped elements with similar chemical properties in columns. And then thirdly, he left gaps for missing elements. So here in our key, we have the blue telling us the elements that were unknown to Mendeleev. So helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon were all missing. So clearly the noble gases were not known. And then there were other elements that were not known at that time. So he arranged elements in order of increasing relative atomic masses. He also arranged elements with similar chemical properties in columns. And then he left gaps for missing elements.